Hello all, this is Nandini, Assistant Professor, Department of Full Stack Web Development. So in this session we are going to discuss about multiple camera infrared tracking in AR. So let's discuss. So the multiple camera infrared tracking in AR, it is nothing but it is a technique which is used to enhance the tracking accuracy by employing with the several cameras. So we can, with the help of these cameras, we can easily monitor and locate the objects or the position of the user in the physical space. So this is a small introduction about multiple camera infrared tracking. So see this picture. This is a in this picture they are using the multiple camera infrared, which helps to point in every user's movement and orientation, and objects are tracked with the help of these cameras. So in this infrared cameras, they are strategically placed around the tracking areas, which is fixed in room or any kind of devices. So these cameras are turned to detect the infrared light, so which is invisible to the human eye. So but we can easily accurate and captured by the cameras in user's movement. So these cameras are calibrated to understand their positions, so which is relative to each other, and then creating a known reference coordinator system. Next one is infrared markers or emitters. So every objects or users so that need to be tracked or equipped with infrared markers. So these can be passive or active light. So the passive light means they are reflecting the IR light. So IR is nothing but infrared. In active light means they are used emitting their own IR light. So these type of markers are typically placed on any key points. So we can easily observe and we can easily identify the object body. So with the help of headset or controllers or any user joints. So and the next type is synchronized camera capture. So the IR cameras simultaneously capture the position of the IR markers within their field of view. So because like every cameras are synchronized, they can capture and extract the position of the each markers at every time, so that allowing for accurate 3D pointing. And the next one is triangulation and 3D positioning. So this technique is used to every data from multiple cameras, which is the system is triangulates the position of each marker in 3D space. So by calculating the angles, distance and positions between the cameras and the marker, so the every systems can determine and exact the 3D coordinates of each markers, and which is related to the environment. And the next one is pose estimation. So with multiple camera tracking system, they can easily determine the object position and orientation, which helps every AR. We can easily accurate the human movements or any object. Then we can render the content of the correct perspectives. And last one is real-time tracking and rendering. So as the user or any objects moves, the system continuously track the IR markers, then updating their position and orientation in the real time. So this is the best example for multiple camera infrared tracking. So you just imagine a high-end VR gaming setup. Now we are going to applying types of multiple camera infrared tracking method. So in this tracking method, first we have to find out the we have to fix the infrared cameras. So in this cameras we can place around the room or outside of the room, and next we are using headset and controllers which is helps and equipped with the active IR emitters. And next one is tracking method. So in this tracking method, the players moves around, the cameras track the IR emitters on the headset or controllers, so which is allowing the system to render the virtual world from the correct perspectives. And the last technique is interaction. So in this method, the players can reach out the interact with the virtual objects. So that is exactly where expected due to the precise AR tracking. So this is the example for multiple camera infrared tracking, and this is the assessment. These are the reference. Thank you.